To configure DALI driver parameters, go to the DALI controller, double-click on it, and navigate to the Parameter tab. In this section, you can display the address of the driver and change its basic parameters. Power on level. This sets the brightness when power is restored after a blackout. Set it between 0, off, and 254, 100% brightness. Setting it to 255 preserves the driver's previous state before the blackout. System failure level. This triggers if the DALI communication is lost or the controller fails. Set it between 0, off, and 254, 100% brightness. Setting it to 255 preserves the driver's previous state. This is crucial for projects like hospitals or airports where lights must stay on during failures until service arrives. Minute dim level. This is the minimum dimming value and can be set between 1 and 254. Max dim level. This is the maximum dimming value and can be set between 1 and 254. Fade rate. This is the rate of dimming steps, controlling how quickly the dimmer transitions from 0% to 100%. It can be set between 0 and 15. Fade time. This controls how smoothly the dimming occurs between steps. The longer the fade time, the smoother the transition. It can be set between 0 and 15. Group tab. Here, you can assign each channel to one of 16 groups. Each group can contain one or more channels, which can later be triggered by different scenes. You can name each group as desired. For example, Group 1, Reception. Group 2, Management Area. Group 3, Public Area. Group 5, Service Area. Group 7, All Building. Next, assign each driver to the appropriate groups and press Save. Each driver can be part of multiple groups. Go to the second channel and repeat the same process for each channel. Scene tab. In this section, you can configure up to 16 scenes. For example, Scene 1, Morning. Scene 2, Busy Day. Scene 3, Night Time. Scene 4, Emergency Lights. In each scene, you can specify the level or color to trigger. For common type drivers, you can adjust the channel level from 0% to 100%. For DT8 color temperature drivers, you can adjust the percentage and the Kelvin color. For DT8 RGBW drivers, you can adjust the color and white brightness. You can also test the channel by pressing Channel Test and assign the power on and system failure scenes, along with all other scenes. Configure all scenes for each driver and then press Save. Controlling scenes from the keypad. To control scenes from the keypad, select the command type Scene Switch. In the Scene Switch Type field, choose DALI, then select the area number and scene number. Press Config to view the addresses, then press Save. To test the Program button, press it to trigger the scene, or long press to dim the entire scene if the button mode is set to single on off.